Cure sore throats, colds and coughs with cayenne pepper. Once the sore throat and aching limbs of a cold begin, you need something that will quickly relieve your symptoms and help you on the road to recovery. Cayenne pepper is just the very thing you're looking for. Cayenne pepper is a natural product that has huge healing benefits. But surprisingly, these healing properties have remained unknown to the majority of people. Learn how using this secret miracle cure will relieve the symptoms of your cold quickly and easily. When you read through this book, you will begin to learn all about the different recipes and dosages for each stage of your cold. From a sore throat right through to the cough at the end. Learn the benefits and reasons why cayenne pepper can help you. And just as importantly, learn how often you should take them. This great little book for using cayenne pepper to relieve a cold is available at Amazon. To download your copy of this amazingly low-priced book, just click onto the link below.